What's up, guys? It's your girl Takia, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So in this video, I'm about to be doing the butterfly locks. At least my sister's gonna be doing them. So stay tuned for the results. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And follow me on my social medias, which should be on the screen. So I braided my hair off camera, and I secured my braids with the Shine and Jam extra hold gel or whatever. Yeah. And I'm oiling my hair with this growth oil so my hair could grow while it's in this style, and it could stay moisturized so my hair don't get dry or whatever. So y'all just gonna watch me do this for a little minute, and then I'll be back to show y'all, to explain how I did the locks. This is how the back looks so far. I didn't show y'all this because I wanted to show y'all how I did it from the front part. But this is how it looks so far. Or whatever. So now I'm just gonna show y'all how I actually do it. Okay, so I'm using the Supreme hair and the water wave texture and the color 1. Okay, that's what I'm using. I'm gonna tell y'all how much pack I use at the end of the video. I took 2 strands out of the pack for each lock. I separate both locks in half like this, like so. Make sure you separate it in a way that the curl pattern is still there after you separate it. After you separate all both, you're gonna be left with 4 small strands of hair. So after that, you're just gonna put them together, okay? Now you get your crochet needle. I'm gonna do a close-up when I explain it the second time. You put the crochet needle under the braid, pull the hair through on one side. Pull it through on one side. Yes, as you can see, it's pulled through on both sides. And you want to make one side a little shorter, but not like too short, if you understand. Make one side shorter than the next. And now you're gonna wrap around the roots like about 3 to 4 times, or how much ever times you feel that it needs to be secured for. So right now I'm just gonna show y'all how I do the butterfly effect. Okay, so first off, what you want to do after you wrap it around 4 times, you put your finger through a little piece of the hair, and then you wrap the hair over the loop and then under the loop again. Let me show y'all again. Then she's gonna wrap it again over the hair. Now she's gonna put her finger through just for the little butterfly effect. Wrap it, and then you put it on the top, and then bring it back on the bottom, and then you wrap it regular. And then she's just gonna keep doing that same process. Put her finger through again, wrap it around, wrap it on top of the loop, and then wrap it at the bottom. And then she's just gonna keep doing that until she reaches the bottom. Okay, so now we're at the bottom. You're going to want to, she did it different ways, but like at this point she just left a little piece at the bottom, and then the remaining hair, when you reach to the length, you just want to twist it at the bottom. I can tell you why she leave that piece there. Twist it at the bottom and then bring it back up in the same direction very loosely to do even more butterfly effect. And she's not going over the loop she already did. She's doing them like in between, like when you drive and you going in between the cones, like when you learn how to drive. Yeah, like that. So So she's just gonna keep doing that until she reaches the top, and if like the top finish, she's gonna just go back down very loosely just to make the butterfly effect. So she's just gonna keep doing that, and when she reaches to the end of the little piece, she's just gonna twist it with her hand, like y'all can see how she do it, like that, yeah, like that. Okay, so now the bottom piece, she's just going to tie a knot at the bottom of the little piece what we was leaving out. When she leave out, she just gonna keep tying it around so the end of the lock can be secured, and that's how the little curls at the end was made. Like she just keep doing it. If the strand was a little too long at the end, she didn't cut it, she just wrap it back around after she made the knot at the bottom. And this is how it came out. This is a really cute, really nice. This is exactly how I wanted my hair to be, really distressed and everything. So I'm just gonna show y'all another lock I did. Okay, she did. Okay, so let me explain again for the people who note that this hairstyle can be done within like about 5 to 6 hours. It's just that my sister was working through the day and she was doing my hair in the night, so we just took 2 nights to do it. Understand? You're gonna get 2 strands from the pack, and then you're gonna separate it. Separate. I just put like my finger through so it don't unravel too much, because that is make it don't do good. Like, yeah. Like when the curl pattern's still there, like these examples. When the curl When the curl pattern's still there, it is make it look better. Okay, so put the crochet needle under the braid, then put the hair in the crochet needle, lock it, and pull it through on one side. After this, you're going to want to make one side shorter than the next, the shorter side being the length that you want your lock to be. Then you're going to wrap the longer side around the shorter side about 3 to 4 times to secure the end. Now to make the butterfly effect, you're going to make a loop with your thumb by putting your thumb through a small part of the hair, and then you're going to wrap the remaining hair around the loop on the top and at the bottom. So put your finger through the hair, wrap it around the top, and then you're going to wrap it around the bottom. So again, put your finger through the hair to make a loop, wrap the hair around the top, and then wrap it around again at the bottom, and then you're going to continue to do the same thing until you reach the bottom of the lock. Now that we reach the bottom, you're going to want to wrap going upwards now, leaving a little piece at the bottom. I'm just gonna wrap, and don't go over the loops that you already made, go in between as I already explained. And now you're going to want to secure it, and then you're going to wrap around again just to make it a little butterfly, if that's a word or whatever, and you are going to be good. So this is my hair. I like it. I did my edges. My sister suggested to put this thing on it. What this is? We put an oil moisturizer on it because we ain't had no mousse soap. We just wanted to have a little shine or whatever. So this is my hair. I like it. Yeah, get into it. It real butterfly-y, if that's a word. So I do 39 braids, and I secure my braids with the Shiner Jam, if I said already. I think I said already. I use 5 packs. If you know you're going to do a lot of plaits in your head, buy more, but I'd recommend 5 to 7 packs just to be on the safe side. But yeah, I like them. All of them in the same, which they ain't supposed to be, because yeah, all of them in the same length. And I like how it is. I look cute. I hope this tutorial help y'all learn how to do it, and y'all learn something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And watch my recent videos if y'all ain't do that already. Share my videos, tell a friend and tell a friend. I will see you in my next video.